a beat, I was tryna beat a case, but I ain't beat that case, bitch, I did the race. Beat it up, or I nut shorty face. Eli blast, cracking foes like a vase. See it in my motherfucking face.
What's up guys, it is Wavy Spice here, and today I'm coming to you guys with a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my living room and kind of like my dining area. I don't really know how much longer I'm going to be in this apartment. My lease is up in August, so I definitely want to show you guys how I decorate and everything. This is pretty much my first apartment that I could decorate fully on my own, so I just wanted to share with you guys my decorating and kind of how you can decorate on a budget, because I have a lot of thrifted items. So yeah, if you guys are new to this channel, definitely want to say welcome, subscribe before you get out of here, join the Spice Gang and become a Spice Girl. We have a lot of fun over here. I also have a bunch of social media, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. I'll definitely have all those linked below so that you can follow me. So my channel is geared towards those that do not fit into your typical beauty standards. So maybe women of color, plus size women, or like dark skinned women of color. Pretty much we don't necessarily fit into the mold, but I also don't give a fuck about fitting into the mold. So yeah, that's pretty much who I am catering my content towards here on WavySpiceTV. If you guys are interested in seeing my living room tour, then just continue watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. All right, so what's good guys? Welcome to my living room. So we're gonna start from this side, work our way around. I'm gonna let you guys know exactly where everything is from. And right here is just this little chair that I got from the thrift store for like $2.99. Inside of it, I just have a fake plant in a little planter. I have my full-length mirror here, which is from Walmart. It's like $50, really great deal. Here I have a little basket that I found at the thrift store as well, and I just have a blanket inside of there for when guests come over and they get cold. Here I have a bird cage, as well as a little salt rock, Himalayan pink sea salt rock, some room spray, and then a fake plant. My TV setup, well, my entertainment center is actually from IKEA, and I can't remember what the name of it is, but I got the two little inserts from IKEA as well, the wicker inserts. And then I just have my leftover candles here so that I can put them in my candle warmer. And then my TV, of course, and I do have an incense tray right here with some Palo Santo in it. Usually I have my sage in there as well, and that's just my router box for my internet. I have a basket here, just as clean and tidy. I got this from Dollar General, and that just houses my boyfriend's like controllers and gaming things. I have this little wall piece that I made. This was in one of my older room tours, if you've seen that. I have another fake plant here, which is thrifted, and it kind of looks like a monstera. Super cute. I have my Papa San right here, which I got from Facebook Marketplace for like $30. And then I just have some decorative pillows on it and a little blanket. Up here, I have this cute little shelf that just has some little decorative pieces, which are mainly things from the Dollar Tree. I put some ivy up here on my door, and this is out to my balcony here, which I guess I can show you guys my balcony. It's a little not cute, but yeah, this is what my balcony looks like and my view. So super cute. It's actually really hot in here, so I'm gonna leave this door open. Over here is where I like hang all of my coats or anything that needs to get hung up. I got that little accordion type thing from the thrift store. I have my poor little dying spider tree right here, which, poor thing, it's got some new leaves growing in, thank goodness. And then this stand here is just from my mom's furniture, something that I reupholstered, painted gold, put some contact paper on it. And here's my beloved couch. It's actually a Turkish couch, a Turkish Chester couch. And I love it because it actually slides out so that it can turn into like a bed if people are over. So definitely love that. I got these 2 pillows here from Ross. And then the pieces on the wall is from Dollar General. $15 for that. I have this little small side table here, which I use if I want to like be on my computer or eat while I'm sitting here. And that my mom gave to me. My table's from IKEA. It's like a $30 table with a little shelf underneath. And I did put some marble contact paper on this. If you can tell, marble contact paper is definitely a theme for me. And then here I just have this little table piece from Target. And I do actually have a little rug down there as well, going out to my balcony. And then I just have coasters on there. Of course, like the remote, my ashtray with my little sage in it, and my Apple Watch. My rug is actually thrifted as well, and it's just like a asymmetrical rug. Here I have my 2 bar stools, which my mom gave those to me as well. Up here I just have these wicker baskets that I actually found in a set from, you guessed it, the thrift store. I also have a mirror here, which is thrifted as well, and I have a floor lamp right here just for some additional lighting, which I did spray paint gold to match one of my other rooms I had in the past. And I have just a bunch of different decorative pieces on here. I really like the setup of this bar. I also put the contact paper on my bar as well. And I do have my computer set up out here, my Mac set up out here, just because since we're working from home now, I have my work computer that's actually in my beauty room where I like film all my videos and stuff like that. So that's out here now. So up here I just have a bunch of little trinkets, little small planters, some books, some photos of me and my family, and then just like miscellaneous jars. This is like my junk basket, and there's just another basket right there. And I just have some cute little decorative pieces over there that are from the Dollar Tree as well. And then that's really my living room. I guess I could show you guys my kitchen. It's very cute, all redone cabinets, and pretty much just a kitchen. Have all my reusable bags hanging up there, key holder right here. And I guess I'll show you guys my dish drain, which is pretty neat since I only have this one little dish situation going on. I made dinner. I have Spanish rice right here, some like verde salsa chicken, some aludas, and some turkey burgers. My power was actually out for the last couple of days, so I just had to make the stuff that was in my fridge because it had all thawed out. I also keep my vacuum here. I keep a little coin bowl right here for things like my work ID. And then I do have a little pathos plant right here, which I've had for years now. So yeah, guys, that's my living room. Hope you guys liked it. I don't know how, I'm not gonna be in this place or in this location much longer, so I just wanted to document what everything looks like in here because I really do love this place and I put a lot of hard work and effort into it. So yeah, if you guys like this video, definitely don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about where I got anything, definitely just comment below. Bye guys.